Cycle will return in a moment.
Looks like we made it just in time.
With not a minute to spare. The movie's just about to start.
We'll just sit here, in a row.
Wait a minute. Something's missing.
He's right. We need popcorn, and we need it fast.
You wait here, in this row, while I go to the concession stand and come back with popcorn. Good thing I brought this $5 bill.
Wait, that $5 bill's not going to buy popcorn for each of us.
She's right. It's going to take all of our $5 bills. That means popcorn and change for each of us.
That means change for each of our $5 bills, and that takes time we haven't got.
And those opening credits are rolling and fast.
This looks like a job for a 20.
A 20? Wait a minute. What about drinks?
Cartoon Network.
Can't move. Feet stuck to floor.
Keeping good cartoons where they really belong.
The Lord of the Thundercats is here to fight for Third Earth, for it is your destiny. Thundercats! Weekdays at 4.
Johnny Bravo here on the set of my happening new show, JBVO.
Your all-request cartoon show.
Where you tell me your favorite cartoon and I slap it on the screen for you. But you gotta let me know what you want to see, so drop me a line at JBVO 1050 Techwood Drive, Atlanta, Georgia 30318. Or go online to CartoonNetwork.com. Don't know the name of your favorite cartoon? Well, just describe it and I'll figure it out. And who knows, maybe you'll get a call from me, Johnny Bravo. So don't miss an all-new JBVO, Sunday at 8 on Cartoon Network.
Brought to you by Mattel's coolest secret agent, Max Steel. Part man, part metal, all action.
Who can stop Psycho? Max Steel, infused with Intech Super Strength. He's the world's strongest, coolest secret agent.
Max, stop Psycho!
Ready combat diver suit. Full underwater breathing.
Activate Intech.
Going turbo. Psycho's getting away.
Hydrogen ready.
Yeah! Convert to off-road. Fire!
Take it to the max! Max Steel!
Gimmick 16 hydrojet vehicle. Combat diver and Psycho. Figures each sold separate. Color changes with warm water.
Awesome!
Digimon, digital monsters, Digimon fighting evil.
Agumon, Gabumon, Greymon, Bro!
Digimon, digital monsters, Digimon go to battle.
Choose monster, then Digivolve. Power up, now drop. I'm ultimate, I'm champion, I'm mega. No way!
Digimon!
Digital monster!
Digimon action figures and a Digibattle card game, each sold separately from Bandai.
Digimon!
Full Cycle continues with the Garlic Jr. Saga. You're watching Full Cycle.
Get all mobile suits ready for combat.
A secret war is being waged against the Earth Sphere Alliance.
What's happening?
Get all mobile suits ready for combat.
A secret war is being waged against the Earth Sphere Alliance.
What's happening?